Guys, what up? El Patronn here, Brooklyn Mitsubishi. The Automotive Game Changer Conference is where it's at, okay? Mr. FrankySpots, it's
What's
in
up,
the
guys?
house. Yo, thanks for showing love,
No
kid.
problem, always.
What do you think of the conference so far?
Amazing. You know, content's the most important thing.
Yeah.
He told me that when I worked for him a while back, and I still believe in it. I bring it everywhere I go.
That's right.
I always do my videos, and this is just gonna help me take it 10 times more in
And
2019.
you stay consistent, you know. I gotta give it to you because you actually keep consistent, you know. I know you got some haters out there, but at the end of the day, bro, it's what you're doing, what works for you. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be able to block out the negativity and just focus on you. That energy's gonna come back to you. I know it is. You know, I know you struggled a little bit when you left, right? And now you kind of like doing your thing, and
Yeah.
and I applaud you for it because you've been staying positive on social media, and everybody sees that, and that's what it's all about. You know what I'm saying? And if I gave you that value, that means I did good, right? So
Yeah, of
something
course.
good. Your videos are good, are awesome. I always support you, and you know you're always on Instagram, and we DM back and forth. They really don't know, but you know we
Yeah, of
talk
course,
a lot
text you
more.
here and there.
Yeah, you tag
when
me,
I have problems.
I tag you, whatever.
When I have questions.
Listen, but that's what it's all about, being there for somebody at any given time. So they're
course,
good,
yeah.
they're bad, it doesn't matter.
And I've been through a couple bad times, but it's
You
getting
have,
better.
but it doesn't matter.
You know, in
Frankie.
2019, I'd take it from you 10 times harder.
That's right.
10 times stronger.
And listen, whatever what it was that you're going through or whatever, it's just gonna make it take it to the next level, man. Listen, remember, you can't have a testimony unless you've been tested. You know what I'm saying? So whatever you're going through, it's gonna just take you to the next level. You're gonna grow from it, and I can't wait for 2019.
Me too. I'm excited.
I think it's gonna be a good year for you, and obviously for
Definitely
all
gonna
of
be a good year for you too.
Oh, listen, how you like the intro?
Loved it. Loved
Yeah?
it. Nah, I need my own theme song.
Yo,
I
come on,
would
guys.
say that.
It's not cheap, okay? It's not cheap. But no, man, thanks for being here.
All right, no problem,
Guys,
man.
FrankySpots, we gave him the name, and he's staying with it, right?
Exactly. I don't care what anybody says about the name. I'm keeping it.
That's right. Branding. Let's go. Consistency.